Hi students, today I will give you brief introduction of China and Australia. As we know, China is our neighboring country. China is also known as People's Republic of China. China belongs to Asia continent. China is third largest country of the world. It has total area about 95.97 lakh square kilometer. China has about 3 times the area of India. It shares long southern border with India, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, and also touches its southern border in the west, the northwest. This country shares common border with Tajikistan, Kyrgyzia, that is also known as Kyrgyzstan, and Kazakhstan. A tip of Afghanistan border also touches with China. In the north, Mongolia has long border with China. In the north east direction, Russia touches its border. In the east, China shares its border with North Korea. Pacific Ocean is towards the east of China. Major seas such as Yellow Sea, East China Sea, and Southern China Sea lies surrounding the China. The latitudinal extent of China is 18 degree north to 54 degree north, whereas the longitudinal extent is 74 degree east to 135 degree east. My dear students, thus the latitudinal difference is 36 degree and longitudinal difference is 61 degree respectively. The total area of the China is 95.97 lakh square kilometer. China is the first largest populous country in the world after our country. India leads second largest country. As you are aware, approx 2 billion population reside in China. Now we come to the next country, Australia. Australia is located in southern hemisphere and it is also a continent known as Australia continent, and it is also famous as Australis or Australia continent. Australia is located in southern hemisphere. Australia is the smallest continent of the world and sixth largest country in the world. The word Australia derived from the Latin word australis, which means southern. My dear students, Australia, New Zealand, Guyana, and neighboring country islands known as Australasia. Australasia, Australia is situated between Indian Ocean in the west and Pacific Ocean in the east. The Arafura Sea is in the north of the Australia and Torres Strait in the northeast direction of the Australia. The Indian Ocean is towards the south and west direction of the Australia. Tasman Sea in the southeast direction of the Australia. Now we will come the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Australia. The latitudinal extent of Australia is 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south, and the longitudinal extent is 112 degree east to 154 degree east. Tropic of Capricorn passes almost through the middle of the continent, same as it is in India. Tropic of Cancer line passes mid of the India. The northern part of the continent lies between the tropical zone, and the southern part of the Australia is experiences warm temperate climate. The total area of the Australia is 76 lakhs 86,848 square kilometer. It is more than double size of India. The north-south distance is 3,219 kilometer, and the east-west extent of the Australia is 4,023 kilometer. As we know, Canberra is the capital territory of Australia, just like Delhi is the capital territory of India. In next video, we will study physical feature of Australia.